Let's build a simple random color palette generator using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. First, in HTML, we create a heading, an empty div where our colors will appear, and a button to generate a new palette. The button calls our generate palette function whenever we click it. Now let's look at the important part, the JavaScript. First, we select the palette div so JavaScript can add colors to it. Next, we create a small function called generate random color. This function creates a random hexadecimal color. It starts with a hashtag, generates a random number, converts it to hexadecimal, and makes sure the color always has 6 characters. Now we create the generate palette function. First, we clear the old colors from the palette. Then we use a loop to run 5 times because I want 5 colors. Inside the loop, we generate a random color and add a new color box to the palette. We also display the color value inside the box so we can see the exact hex code. Finally, we call generate palette once when the page loads, so we get a palette immediately. Let's write some CSS to make it look good. Now, every time we click the button, JavaScript generates 5 completely new colors. And that's it, a simple random color palette generator using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript.